Experiencing NSIS error writing temporary file? Let's fix it with quick, easy steps to get your installation back on track. In the Windows search bar, type chrome64bit.exe. Click on Open File Location. Double-click on the setup file. Click Run and then Yes to start the installation. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Clear temp files, press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog. Type %temp% and press Enter. Select all the folders and files in the temp folder. Click on the delete icon to remove them. Click Continue when prompted. Checkmark Do this for all current items and click Skip if needed. Restart your PC, right-click on the Windows Start button and select Restart. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.